Hi, we are Mecky and Fernie. We are navigating America's Great Loop on our 34-foot PDQ Powercat. Join us on our adventures at Time for Act 2. See you soon. Bye-bye, Holland. Had a wonderful time here. Explored the area and saw a windmill, which was from Holland, so that was kind of cool. So bye-bye, Holland. We've got a weather window and we gotta move. So bye-bye. And we are coming into the Benton Harbor, St. Joseph area. So did a 50 something mile run. So we're coming in for the evening. By Benton Harbor. We spent a night here and we had a really good dinner, good marina, but now it is time to go. We have a weather window and we're going to try and see how far south we go. So bye bye Benton Harbor. So there has been so much movement of the boat, and the stress has been so great on the lines. I mean, you can't tell right now, but there was a lot of movement last night and then the day before that it sheared off one of our ropes. Just sheared it off. Crazy.
You're blocking the sunlight.
I am blocking the sunlight.
Okay.
Hey, Captain, what are you doing?
I'm doing generator maintenance.
Generator maintenance?
Yeah, taking out the oil, replacing oil filter, fuel filter, and impeller.
Oh, everything?
Everything.
Alrighty, then I will leave you to it.
Thank you. I will hopefully be done in a few hours.
Okay, bye-bye. So here in Indiana, we got other types of views. Not so much nature, but we're actually walking over a bridge and there's like this railroad section or hub. And of course we've got the casino in the background right next to the marina. And we're heading over there. There's a Walmart. That's where we're going. There's Fernie, Captain. And here's a nice highway we're under. All kinds of new experiences. could take the obligatory bean selfie here in Millennial Park in Chicago.